Hello everyone, my name is Manan from Sandhya Deshpande's ERA Commerce classes. Welcome back to a new video of Cup of Commerce. Today we are diving into the economic system of India from its grassroots to its international standing. We'll break down complex concepts into simple language and use examples to make it easier to understand. So let's get started. The first point is grassroots economy. Let's begin by looking at the grassroots levels of India's economy. At this level, we see small-scale economic activities that directly involve local communities. For example, think of a farmer in a rural village who grows crops like rice or wheat. This farmer sells the produce in the local market, contributing to the local economy. Similarly, small businesses such as street vendors, artisans, and local shops play a crucial role in sustaining the grassroots economy. These activities form the backbone of India's landscape, providing livelihoods to millions of people. The second is micro, small, and medium enterprises, that is MSMEs. These are the small to medium-sized businesses that operate on a slightly larger scale than grassroots enterprises. Examples include small manufacturing units, handicraft businesses, and service providers like local IT firms or restaurants. MSMEs are vital for job creation, innovation, and economic growth, especially in sectors like manufacturing and services. Now, let's shift our focus to the formal economy, particularly the corporate sector. This sector comprises large companies, both domestic and multinational, that operate on a national or global scale. Think of companies like Tata Group, Reliance Industries, or Infosys. These corporations play a significant role in driving economic growth, contributing to GDP, and generating employment opportunities. They often invest in research and development, adopt advanced technologies, and participate in international trade, shaping India's position in the global market. Next is the role of government in economic system. The government plays a crucial role in shaping India's economic system. Through policies, regulations, and initiatives, it aims to promote inclusive growth, reduce poverty, and ensure stability. For instance, government schemes like Make in India, Startup India, and Digital India are aimed at fostering entrepreneurship, innovation, and industrial development. Additionally, fiscal and monetary policies are implemented to manage inflation, promote investment, and stabilize the economy. Economic challenges and opportunities. Despite significant progress, India faces various economic challenges, including poverty, inequality, unemployment, and infrastructural deficiencies. Addressing these challenges requires concerted efforts from the government, private sector, and civil society. However, India also possesses immense potential and opportunities, particularly in sectors like information technology, renewable energy, healthcare and agriculture. तो इसी बात पे मैं आशा करता हूँ आपका नॉलेज और समय शुभ रहे. So, stay curious, keep learning, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for next updates.